In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the window wipers in a Nissan Xterra. Now the driver's side is going to have a 24-inch, passenger side is going to have an 18-inch. And I do like these Rain-X Vision wipers. They're not the best, they're not the worst, they're kind of middle of the road, and they're fairly inexpensive. Now I like changing the wipers on own personal vehicles once a year, so spending $24 a year on window wipers isn't going to kill you. So let's go ahead and get these changed to get this vehicle back on the road. Alright, so looking here at the passenger side, if you look kind of underneath, you'll see this tab right here. You can either use your finger if it's small enough, or use a flat blade screwdriver. You're just going to push that in, and then you're going to slide the wiper down the wiper arm. So you're pushing in this tab right here with your thumb or a screwdriver, and then you're pulling down on the wiper frame, and it's going to slide off of that hook. All right, now that you've got it off of the hook, you just kind of move your wiper frame up a little bit, like that, and then pull it straight off. Other side, you can take a screwdriver or your fingernail, whatever works, push that tab in, and then you're going to slide the wiper frame down, just like that. Rotate this, pull it right off. And now to install the driver's side, the adapter that comes with these is the one that you're going to need to use, so you don't need to change any adapter. So you just kind of slide that hook right inside there like that. And now the nice thing about these Rain-X wipers, it comes with the adapter you need already, so you don't need to switch out any adapters. And you just place your hook inside right there like that. And then once the hook is kind of lined up, push it forward and it will lock in place. Feel it kind of lock in place, and you'll hear kind of a little thump and a click, and it should look like that. And now you know that it's installed correctly. We have the 18-inch one. As you can see, I've kind of got the hook lined up in there just a little bit. Now all we need to do is take the new wiper blade and push it forward until it locks in place. Now you can remove these protective strips off both sides. I do recommend that you clean your windshield off, and then after that, just go ahead and fold your new wiper blades over to the windshield. And that's all there is to it, guys. If you've never done this before to your vehicle, give yourself about 15 minutes. Just take a little time and patience, and you'll be able to get them replaced. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.